Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube creative studio. You know me, I love to make homemade little things and creating small, quick, beautiful gifts for my family and for my lovely friends. In this my new video tutorial, I will show you how to create these cute little crochet stars. This pattern is made for very beginners, only a basic skill level is required to make them. You can use any yarn you like and your favorite crochet hook, and what is perfect for this project is great to use up your Scrappy yarns. We will start with a magic ring. So cross the yarn and hold the crossing with your fingers, make a loop, insert the hook into this loop, pull yarn through and yarn over, pull yarn through, yarn over, pull yarn through the loop on your hook. Now yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring, pull yarn through, yarn over, pull yarn through 2, yarn over, pull yarn through 2, yarn over and create the double crochets into the magic ring to have 15 double crochets. So we have 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold the magic ring, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, okay, 3 more, 13, 14, and 15. Perfect, we have 15 double crochets in the magic ring. Pull the yarn as tight as you can, pull it really tightly, so there is no hole inside. Insert the hook into the first stitch and make a slip stitch. So we close the first round with a slip stitch. Now we will start the next round. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. In the second chain from your hook, work a single crochet. In the third chain from your hook, work a double crochet. So yarn over, insert the hook in the third chain, pull yarn through. We have 3 loops on the hook, and now pull yarn through all loops on the hook. Now yarn over, insert the hook in the fourth chain, yarn over, pull yarn through 2, yarn over, pull yarn through 2. Now yarn over twice, insert the hook into the first stitch where we started the chain, into the stitch from the previous round, and work a triple. So pull yarn through 2, pull yarn through 2, and pull yarn through 2 3 times. So we made a treble. Now skip 2 stitches from the previous round, 1, 2, place the hook in the next one and make a slip stitch. Now chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. insert the hook in the second chain from your hook and place a single crochet in it. Yarn over, insert the hook in the third chain from hook and work a half double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook into the fourth chain and work a double crochet. Now yarn over twice, insert the hook into the stitch from the previous round, the stitch where we started the chain, and work a treble stitch. Perfect. Now skip 2 stitches from the previous round and in the next one work a slip stitch. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and now you know in the second chain work a single crochet, in the third chain work a half double crochet, in the fourth chain work a double crochet, and into the stitch where we started the chain work a treble. Perfect. Now skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, in the next one place a slip stitch. Amazing. Let's do last 2. So chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and now a single crochet, a half double crochet, a double crochet, and treble into the stitch from the previous round where we started the chain. So as I told you, my crochet friends, it's super easy and quick. Insert the hook in the next stitch, skip 2 stitches, and chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the last one. So a single crochet, a half double crochet, a double crochet, and a treble into the stitch where we started our chain. And this is it. Now skip 2 and place a slip stitch into the next. Voila! Our cute little star is just finished. You can use a longer end and use it as a loop like this one I have on my hook, so you can use this loop to put the star on the tree, for example, or you can simply chain a foundation chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So I chain 20 chains, and simply we can join the chain with a slip stitch where we started the chain, and we also create this nice loop. This is it. I love it. It's really quick and super easy. So now if you are satisfied with your start, you can cut yarn and hide both ends on the wrong side of your start, on that side. Okay, so with your tapestry needle, hide both ends, and this is it. Now let's do a quick measurement. Star measures 2.8 8 inches, 7 centimeters, and the loop has 2 inches, 5 centimeters. And you can use any scrappy yarn you like, any colors. You can use a really small piece of yarn to create the star, and look at my stars. You can make these little cute stars bigger with a thicker yarn and larger crochet hook, or smaller with thinner yarn and smaller crochet hook, so it's easy. So if you are looking for something really quick, I would suggest making these cute little stars ornaments. I'm so satisfied and happy with the result. I'm happy how they turned out, and I think the crocheting and Christmas ornaments and decoration go hand in hand. What do you think? So this pattern is made for beginners, but anyway, if you have any questions and if you need any help, please don't hesitate to contact me and put your comments into the box below this video. These cute little stars can keep you busy right through the holidays, making beautiful decorations to be added to your trees or place on the holiday greetings card, or you can also decorate your Christmas gifts and presents for your loved ones. Okay, look at it. So you can make a nice colorful garlands. You can use the colors you loved, make the stars and put them on the piece of yarn. Okay, so just pull the yarn through one top of star and create nice garland. Or you can just simply create one star to be put on the tree. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, my crochet friends. If you like this video tutorial, give me your thumb up, and please don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel. So wish you happy crocheting, take care, and hope to see you at my next one. Bye bye!